Good morning, 11th students, chemistry, part 2, lesson number 8, redox reaction. In part 12, we are going to complete our chapter with the example of redox reaction with another method, that is half reaction method, basic medium. Already in the ahead lecture, I taught you to balance the equation for acidic medium. Now I am teaching you one more example with the basic medium. Okay, see the problem 8.10 per magnet 7th ion MnO4 minus 1. Okay, so MnO4 minus 1, it is wrote per magnet 7th ion, so its oxidation state number is given in basic medium, it is given. Okay, so basic medium solution oxidizes iodide ion I minus 1. So it is given oxidize I minus 1 and manganese to produce molecular iodine solution. To produce molecular iodine solution, iodine and manganese 4 oxide MnO2. Write a balanced equation to represent the redox reaction. So what is step 1? This is step 1. From this problem, per magnet 7th ion MnO4 minus 1 in basic solution oxidized iodide ion I minus 1 to produce molecular iodine and manganese 4th oxide. Write a balanced equation. So I wrote in step 1 first. What is the first step? First we write the skeleton ionic equation. Okay, from KMnO4 we have to write MnO4 minus 1 plus oxidized जिसको करता है वो, that is iodide ion and MnO2 ion. Now step 2 we are doing with the half reaction method. So step 2 is two half reactions we have to show separately. Two half reaction. One oxidation MnO4 to MnO2. So first we will write oxidation half, that is from I minus 1 to I2. How? This one is minus 1 and this one is 0. Okay, this is oxidation half is. In this that only we will write B. Okay, first, second, reduction half reaction. Reduction half reaction, that is MnO4 minus 1. Here already they given, see 4 to the 8, minus 8 will go there from minus 1, so their charge is minus 2, and MnO2 also they have given the charge, that is plus 4. 4 to the 8, okay, and that's oxidation state is plus 4. MnO2 sorry 2 to the 4. See, MnO2's charge is equal to 0, Mn plus 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. So Mn is equal to 4 oxidation state, and already in stock notation it is given. So in step 2 we wrote who is going to oxidized and who is going to reduced only. See, their valency from plus 7 to plus 4, minus 1 to 0. Okay, so oxidation number is going step 3. Now what you have to do to balance the I atom in the oxidation half reaction? First you have to balance both the reaction, I minus 1 to I2. So here are 2, so we will balance 2. Okay, step 3. And here already Mn and Mn they are balanced. Now step 4. To balance the oxygen atom, in the reduction half reaction, okay, see oxygen atom. MnO4 minus 1 gives MnO2. And to balance the oxygen atom in the reduction half reaction, we add two water molecules on the right. 4 and the, to balance the hydrogen atom, we add 4 H ions on the left hand side. H2O, 2 oxygen and 2 oxygen. So 4 oxygen, but we need 2 twos are 4. So we need 4 hydrogen atom. Okay. But this reaction occurs in the basic medium. So to this side we in OH ion to this side. Okay. OH ion this side. So how we will balance MnO4 minus 1 plus 4 H ions plus OH ions. We will balance the OH ion also laterally plus now again we will see 2 H ions 4 2 and 2. In this way we have to add OH ions to the here also. So 4 OH ions and 4 OH ions. In this way we are going to balance. Totally we will see afterwards. So replacing the H ions and OH ions with water, the resultant equation, like that we are adding 4H and 4H. Now resultant we will count all this we will count, and we will write the half reaction. Any method you can use for to balance OH ion or H ion. See, MnO4 minus 1 plus 2H2O gives MnO2 plus 4 OH ions. Okay, how? See, 4 H ions and 4 OH ions. So this will combinedly join and will give H2O, 2H2O. 2 are 4. 2 twos are 4. Then to this ion also 2H2O. Total oxygen you have to count. Oxygen 4. I am writing here. 4 oxygen, 4 hydrogen, again 4 oxygen here. This we will write afterwards. So 4 oxygen, 4 hydrogen, 4 hydrogen again and 4 oxygen again. So 4 plus 4, 4 plus 4. So 8 oxygen and 8 hydrogen. This will combinedly, already oxygens 4 are there, so we will not write. So we will write oxygen 4. So H2O 4. We need 4 H2O. Why? 4 to the 8 hydrogen and 4 oxygen. And 4 oxygen are here. So this side we balanced. Okay. Now we have to see here to this side. From here we will see that 2 oxygen, 4 hydrogen and 4 OH ion. So we can cancel this and simultaneously we can write 4 OH ion. Now in last step 5 we will combine. No. In step 5, in this step we balance the charges of the, we have to balance the charges. We have to add the electrons. Okay. Now for this reaction, I minus 1 which we wrote, I2 oxidation half reaction, but for this balancing we wrote 2 I ions. So here 2 minus 1, so here we have to balance 2 electrons. So 2 electrons of this side and 2 electrons of this side has been balanced. Okay. Now for the other step, this is oxidation. Now for the reductions we have to balance the electrons. MnO4 minus 1 plus 2 H2O final equation plus electron, we will see to which side we have to add. I am writing afterwards. Then MnO2 plus 4 OH ion. Now how we have to balance? We have to see 4 charges, 4 minus. So how many electrons you have to add? You have to calculate it. Okay, so 4 negative charges, minus 1, minus 1. So you need 4 electrons to this side. So you have to add 3 electrons. So 3 and minus 1, minus 4, and here also minus 1. So this side also 4 electrons, this side also 4 electrons. Now to equalize the number of electrons, we multiply the oxidation half reaction by 2 and 3. See, now we finally need 6 electrons. Now 4 this and 2 this. So 6, for 6 we have to multiply to this by 3 only. So this one is 6i and this one is 3i2. 6 and 3 2s are 6. Plus here also you need 6 electrons. Now finally, instead of 3 electron we will write it is multiplied by 2. Okay, so 2 Mn. See, total 4 and 2 electrons, total 6 electrons. No, so here it is a shortage of 3 and here 3, so it is shortage of 2. So iodine should be multiplied by 3, so 3 2s are 6, and Mn should be multiplied by 2 on the both sides. So on the basis of electron method, we will balance the elements Mn2. So in step 6 last, we are going to combine both the equations. So 6i we will write here, okay, plus Mn. We have to 3 electrons, so it is multiplied by 2. Okay, so 2 Mn O4 minus 1 plus H2O. So it is also going to multiply by 2. So 2 2s are 4. So 4 H2O. We can write 6 electrons to this side to balance 4 and 2 both. 6i. So here I2, 3i2 plus 6 electrons plus MnO2, it is multiplied by 2 MnO2. So in this way, 6 electrons to this side and 6 electrons we can cancel it, and finally we will write the equation 6i 2 MnO4 minus 1 plus 4H2O to this side, and OH ion 4 2s are 8. So we will write 8 OH ion, because to this side also we are going to multiply by 2. So here also we have to multiply by 2. Okay, so 2 4s are 8 OH ion. In this way, this we have to balance. So a final verification shows that the equation is balanced in respect to the number of atoms and charges on both the sides. Okay, only you have to see this. 4 electrons, 2 electrons, 6. So it should be multiplied by 3 and it should be multiplied by 2 to the both the sides. So in this way, for the basic medium, I taught you the whole of the lesson, and afterwards the topic 8.33 redox reaction as the basis for titration. This is omitted, and 8.34 also, 8.4 also. This whole of the process portion has been cancelled. Okay, so I completed my lesson. Again, I am revising whole of the lesson in a summarized way, what we did in all the lectures. Okay, so from starting unit 8, okay, I taught you and we completed our lesson up to balancing of equations. Students, I hope you have to submit this lesson. I taught you thoroughly. So this exercise, see, so many equations are given. This exercise, this balancing of equations, all you have to prepare nicely. You have to follow these two methods. In two separate methods I taught you two examples, one for acidic medium and another for basic medium. So please submit the notes and exercise on Tuesday. I hope everyone has to be submitted.